Hey guys, it's Will here from Computeurs. Today I'm going to show you some sample shots from Ben, also known as Cameraman's new camera, the Sony HX20V. So what you see here are some macro shots which were taken pretty much when the lens was touching the objects, which is pretty crazy. Next up we have a sound test, which consists of Ben playing the piano. The buzzing is not the mic, but the camera rattling against the surface of the piano, so I recommend not putting the camera on a piano. In the outdoors test, you can see it does very well. The sky is slightly out, but you can't really focus in video mode, unfortunately, so that is a downside. As you can see, the zoom test, the zoom is absolutely brilliant. In photo mode, you can actually zoom up to 40 times lossless and 80 times with digital. The highlight test was done on a crazy bright lamp and it's done very well. To put in perspective, Ben couldn't actually look at the light without blinding himself. That is amazing. So that's the end of the video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content. Enjoy 2013 and have a nice day, everyone.